Action.
Tissue forceps.
Oh,
Go ahead. Okay, that is.
went over that.
Ronjos.
Oh,
The French thing.
what is this called?
What's on that?
Because I don't remember. any.
Really, really pokey thing.
Sure.
If I grab you,
Ah!
you're gonna cry.
Towel
Yeah.
clamp.
Towel clamps.
Towel clamps.
Specifically,
I don't know how to pronounce it.
backhouse.
What?
Backhouse.
Backhouse.
Oh, back house.
Back house.
Like
Back
H-A-U-S.
house.
B-A-U-C
B-A-C-K-H-A-U-S.
H-A-U-S.
Back house.
Towel clamp.
Towel
Towel
clamp.
clamp.
Back house towel clamp. Back house towel clamp. Back house towel clamp.
Why is it back house?
That's
Because.
the guy that made it.
Oh.
And named it after whoever
Thank you. My
developed
mom made it for me.
Oh, wow. Back house towel clamp. Laser.
What are these? These are
Forceps?
forceps.
Yeah,
They're
thumb
different
forceps.
kinds.
Fingers,
No.
finger?
Finger forceps.
How do you know that? Oh, I know. Because they're
because-
thin, long and thin.
Yeah, then you
Fingers.
got-
And
Short
then-
and fat or thumbs.
Yeah.
But are these?
Are they more specific than that?
Specific.
You get used to her talking after a while.
The one in your, that one there you just put down
This one?
is $200.
This one?
Oh.
I know
This
what you
teeny
meant.
tiny rat tooth?
That one
You
there.
know what I
That's
meant.
a rat
I
tooth.
know, but it's funny. When you text me, it's like,
It's a teeny
And that's
tiny
a
rat tooth.
Thumb forceps.
Right, because
tooth,
it's,
thumb forceps.
look at, compared to Lori's thumb,
Yeah.
it's nice and fat and short.
And then to see the rat part, it's. I don't even think you can see
I
this in
don't
the
have
video.
those slender thumbs.
No, you can't really see the video. It's blurry.
What's throwing me on these are the
Well,
flat and then
There
the
we go. Now you can
teeth.
kind of see it. Okay.
So I want to call them dressing forceps, but I know that's not right. Oh, are they the
Teeth. And
DeBakey?
These are DeBakey's.
Where?
Good job.
Both of
In my
them.
hand.
Both of these are DeBakey?
No.
No.
See how they're flat,
That one and
Jessica?
that one are DeBakey's.
These two.
Flat and then with the
These two.
teeth
She
in
has
the
in her
middle.
hand and this one,
That one and
DeBakey.
that.
So this is the
Is
it
bakey
like-
as well.
Two on the bottom?
Focus in
Oh,
on
and this one goes
the teeth
In the
right
middle
here.
of them both?
If I can, hold on.
That's how you tell.
It's just blurry.
So DeBakey,
It's the
DeBakey.
teeth.
I understand
Okay.
that. I'm asking what this is. DeBakey
Finger forceps.
finger forceps.
Or
Okay.
tissue
it-
forceps.
Okay.
Or what?
Or tissue forceps.
Tissues.
Can we say
DeBakey
finger or no?
tissue,
Yeah. if you want.
Okay.
DeBakey
Do we have to
tissue
say finger?
forceps.
No.
Who's that?
DeBakey
Not
tissue
necessarily. Say
forceps.
DeBakey tissue forceps. That would be fine.
Okay.
What? What'd you say?
The bakey tissue.
You don't have to specify that it's a finger, but you would if it was a rat tooth, correct?
Yeah, because they can come in
Thumb.
finger forceps too.
Right.
So that's a rat tooth
Thumb forceps.
thumb
What
forceps.
was this again?
Go over it
And
again.
it's
As
specifically
opposed
put
to
these
a
in
rat
today.
tooth
I'm gonna put them in
tissue
today.
forceps.
Oh, okay.
So
Tissue
you'll be able to see
forceps.
all of it.
Right.
Wait, where are you going to put them up in?
Okay.
That's specifically what kind of a rat
Oh my
tooth.
god, I have like a ton of videos up from like all of our labs.
Where?
I'll write it.
A thumb one.
What type?
What do you mean?
Rat tooth.
Keep going.
Rat
Tissue.
tooth?
No,
Thumb.
rat tooth, thumb, forcep. He's looking
No, I
at
said
something
thumb,
else.
and he said what kind? What kind of thumb?
1x2s.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh,
1 by
okay.
2s. One tooth on this
Tip.
tip, and this is 2 tips or
Two
2
teeth.
2 teeth.
Can't really see it in the video, but at least we know.
Is this Eliza? Alyssa?
Nope.
What is it?
Alice.
Alice. Damn it.
But
Alice in Wonderland.
that's how I thought this was Eliza for a long time, just because I'm terrible. at
Okay, what is Michelle holding? What are you holding, Michelle?
I'm not sure.
Hemostats?
That's what I was thinking.
What
but-
type?
That's not
Open it
mosquito,
up.
is it? No, they're smaller, aren't they?
No, there's
Oh, it's all the way.
And they curve.
curved mosquito here. Hemostats.
These are curved mosquitoes.
Mosquito, yeah.
So are these?
Curved.
They're all the same.
And so are those.
Curved
They're just
mosquito.
different sizes.
Because they're so delicate and small, right?
Curved mosquito.
That's why they're mosquitoes.
Forceps.
Gotcha.
Curved mosquito forceps.
So the Metzenbaum curved
Which ones?
blunts.
You don't even need to study this. You already know some of this.
It's helpful to us though.
I packed a
Exactly,
lot
it's
of packs
helping
for
us,
2
though.
years.
Okay, so these
Yeah.
are curved Mets and Bombs. And why are they Mets and Bombs? Because they're gold handled, right?
No.
No,
No.
because
Oh.
they're so long and thin and
Because they're so long and thin. And the gold handle one is at a Brands.
That's got a
I remember you
carbide
told me.
insert.
That's right.
Carbide?
And you can see it. Open the
Carbide.
blade up and you can see the insert.
Mets and Bombs.
Mets and bombs. The long name is the delicate long scissor. Mayo, the short name, is the heavier.
Actually, they did such a good job on this. You can't see the insert very well. If you move it around, you can see the different kind of metal.
What are these? One of
I
the
can't see it on
handles?
the video.
Those are
I have to
protectors.
find another pair in there that shows.
If you would put
And these ones?
like
Oh, that's
this
not.
when you go to package or sterilize them.
So what did you call these? Just covers?
I don't know what they're
Tip
called.
protectors.
Tip protectors? Would that be on a test?
Probably not.
You might throw us that one for an extra
Okay, so what's that?
free 2 points.
Yeah.
This one was which one?
Mets and Bombs.
Mets and
Mets and
Bomb.
bomb.
More specific?
Curved.
The curve.
Curved
Curved
Mets.
Mets
Yeah.
and Bombs.
Curved,
What's this
blunt.
No,
Straight?
don't say that because that doesn't have anything to do with Mets and Bombs.
Oh,
Mets
really?
and Bombs
Oh, that's
always
right.
have the same tip.
That's right, they do. But these don't. These have specific tips.
What are those? Surgical?
Operating.
That's
Yeah.
what
Those
I
are
was.
operating
That's what I was
Operating
just
test.
What
thinking.
kind specifically?
Oh,
Straight,
Sharp,
sharps.
Sharp.
sharp.
Sharp,
Yeah.
sharp? Oh, okay.
Because you can tell from the lockbox, right?
Do operating come in curved?
Mm-hmm. Sometimes.
No, but the lockbox is
Wait, is that operating?
flat, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Either
These are surgical, what?
send retractors.
Surgical.
send retractors.
Surgical
Operating scissors.
Operating scissors.
Sharp operating.
Sharp, sharp operating scissors.
Because they're extra pointy. What'd you do? Did you elbow me? What? Did you elbow me?
Okay, and these, what did you call
Send.
these?
This is send
Send.
Send retractors.
retractors. Okay.
Handheld.
Like the Zen
Handheld.
rakes.
Send
Those are Zen retractors?
Sen.
Oh, Zen.
S-E-N-N.
So Zen and Sen. They do look like little Zen rakes.
They do. Little Zen garden.
What? What'd you say? She starts raking.
I can't remember which one has the cutting. Is it the Olson Hager?
Yes.
Olson Hager.
Anybody want to help?
I don't know the answer,
Wait.
so.
And I don't know what the other name would be. One has a cutting, which this has a cutting
Or the
scissor
Olsen
in it.
ones.
Olson, something, and yeah, I don't know the two choices. I know, but I can't remember which is which. This has no cutting, no cutter on it, no scissor. See the scissor right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so one has scissor, one doesn't. And
Sorry.
Only one I know is
I want to say the Olson has no cutter on
Can
it.
you open this one? So I can see.
There's nowhere to
Yeah,
cut
there's no
suture
cut.
with it.
Gotcha.
I don't even have a book with me, so I don't even.
My
Which
computer
one's
just
which?
died.
I can't remember.
I say the Olsen Hager is the
look at
cutting one.
that. Well, you got
Because Dr. Olson
something
likes to
cuts
cut.
right in there.
That's where you cut suture.
Right, that's where you cut suture, but for the name,
Let's see. Oh,
that's
right.
that's
No,
the
I
difference
am
between
trying to-
these two, and I
know,
can't.
I can't remember. We
I'm-
went over this.
I want to say the Olson's the non-cutter, and I'm probably wrong. I'm probably
Hager.
opposite.
Rochester.
And
no.
and see, using Olson as the name, you would think we could
Oh my gosh.
remember.
Well, because that's the
that.
ones I learned
Names are getting
first. I
funny.
didn't know about those.
This is Olsen Hager.
Okay.
So it's
That's
cutting.
originally what I said.
Olson Hager.
Because
Those
Dr.
are-
Olson likes to do surgery and cut.
Oh.
Right.
And those are
But I don't
male
know.
Hager.
Mayo.
Mayo.
They're good
And
for
mayo is
scooping up
soft, so it
mayonnaise.
doesn't
Hager.
exactly cut.
It's good for mayonnaise.
You can't cut yourself with mayonnaise.
Nope.
Mayo Hager.
So send
So where do you get-
retractors,
Where do you get?
mayo.
You
But
can't
notice
cut.
the carbide inserts.
Yeah, they're carbide.
And you can see the difference. Look at the metal.
Solid
You can
gold.
see the actual place where it's kind of glued in there, if you will.
Oh, yeah.
See the little color difference in the metal
Oh, yeah.
right there?
Mm.
Probably not so much in video, but.
You can see it.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Carbide insert.
I have to look at those bandage scissors I got because they do have gold handles.
And then they'll have a carbide blade on
Yeah,
it.
but I only paid $20 for them, so I
Well-
kind of think not.
What are these
If they're
called?
gold, they should. That's the
Yeah.
tradition.
Unless they're lying to
really
you.
long-handled bandage scissors, and the scissor part is like this big,
Then those aren't bandage scissors.
Are these
made just like that.
needle holders?
Huh?
I'll show you next time. I'll bring them.
That's weird.
They're like
for
cat
suture.
bandage scissors, I think is what they call them.
What are these? It's called like what are these? Just Pacific, not Pacific.
Needle holders.
Needle
Oh, they are
holders,
needle
okay.
holders.
And
Okay,
they're
you're
not
right.
needle drivers, no matter what anyone
Oh, that's
tells
right.
you. We had a big argument one time at a clinic.
They don't drive anything.
I know, but and I
they
even
can.
I even had a DVM say, well, that's what we always called them in school. I'm like, well, that's not what they're called.
They're not Pacific.
Look in a book.
They're needle holders.
Huh?
They hold on to the needle.
I know, but that's what I told them.